Here we are at the Bullseye Playground in Target. Let's take a look at what they have, guys. So we know we're all set over here with the little book boxes. Isn't that so neat? Look at all the colors they have, guys. And they're $3. All of the bins, look at these. They even come in that hot pink and orange and black. Those are $3. The little cubbies. They're so adorable. Okay, and then we have a whole slew of them over here. And like I said, all of these on these first 3 rows are $3. The very bottom ones down here, these bigger type trays, guys, these are $5. Let's see, we have some pearl paint, the multicolors. You can pick them. These are kind of neon-like. Those are $3. Then you have your little containers. And then you have your little paint palettes. Okay, those are $3. And then you have some oil crayons. Then you have some fine tip markers. And look at these. These are chalk. Oh, the chalk with the holders. Okay, I didn't see this the last time. This is $3 and there's only that one left. Then here is some modeling clay, $3. So then you have these, guys. It says, hello, my name is. This is awesome for teachers. And they come in all kinds. So they have this kind here, and they have this kind. These are so cute. And look at these. I love those. Then you have your stamper markers. Then you have your primary construction paper, $3. And then you have these journals. Aren't these adorable? So look at that. I think for $3 you get 8 sheets and 8 pages. It says my book of stories. Okay, those $3. And then you have this kind, all about me. Wow. Okay, and then you have this down here. Let's see what this is. So this is chalkboard paper roll for $3. So let's see. How long is this? 25 feet. Guys, I think this is a good buy. And here you have this kind of paper. This is the craft paper roll. This is also 25 feet. That's pretty neat, guys. Okay, so here for $1 you have some food storage. So you have this green one. Okay. And that's all I'm seeing there. Then over here, guys, look, I think I showed you this before. This is the juice container holder. I think this is a neat idea. These guys are $1. Then you have some more paint palettes and some disposable napkins. Those are $1. And then these are the freezer packs, guys. And you know what? I thought this was a tree before. I think this is broccoli because they were all vegetables. This is broccoli, guys. I feel so silly sometimes. Okay. Then you have these water bottles. It says you got this. I love that. Make today awesome. So these water bottles are $3. And then they have the little utensil set. There's only one left. And that's $3. And it matches the little bento box. Then down here, look at these. These are food storage. I'm liking these. These are $5, hot or cold containers. So this is the frog, and this is the apple. That's the frog, and what's the yellow one? That's the banana. And look at these. I don't think these were here last time I was here. So this is a bento box, 2 stacking trays, 2 tray with divided compartments. So that comes in this color. I think I see the red and the blue, and that peach and the pink and that blue. So they do come in colors. And then you have your little lunch pouches. So these guys, they're reusable lunch pouches, and those totes are $5. Come around here. I love this section, guys. Look at this. So here's the puzzle clock. I like this. It helps them to tell time. And then you have this one, the number fraction puzzles. All right, so then you have the counting stacking puzzle. Let me pick that up. Okay, then you have this over here. This is called a reward chart. So this reward chart, guys, is $3. That's pretty neat. Then you have this. So you have some more puzzles on the fruits and fractions. And this is the wooden balance game. That is so adorable. And then look at this. This is $3. So this is purple and red, and I don't know, I think you have to, what does the tag say? Color match caterpillar. Okay, then you have these. This is the puzzle connector. That's adorable. And then look at these. These are called building blocks. And they come in their little zipper pouch. And then look at these. So these are magnetic letters. I like these. The black one, the black with the white polka dots. Then you have this one, which is the felt learning. Then you have the games. These are my favorite. So these are games to go, my busy book. And then you have this one. Then here is kitchen and the alphabet. What's the green one? The green one is counting, the counting book. That's adorable. So now here you have, what are they calling these? These are blocks. These are building block game. And then look, the magnetic alphabets. And look, the W has the watermelon. That is so adorable, okay? And then look at this one. This is the numbers. Magnetic numbers. And then this is the chalkboard. Oh, look, they have the alphabet. The magnetic shapes. And there's the alphabet, guys. So here you have the wooden chalkboard blocks. Those are all $3, what I just showed you. Then you have this, the number locking, the number learning locks. These are $5. And then you have this, guys. The felt alphabet chart. I love these felt things. So these are $5. Okay, let's see. Here we have the cards, guys. We have the numbers and the alphabets over there. Here's addition. Okay, here are the animals. Here's Paw Patrol. I don't know if that was just placed here. And here is a SpongeBob book by the little golden books. Then here you have, what are these? The complete the word. Okay, so this is bird, dogs, the opposites. I like that, the opposites. Colors and shapes, I like that. Cubbies, these cubbies right here are $5. And then we have these, take a hike, and you get 4 for $3. Then here you have some washcloths. So those are 4 for $3. That's not bad. And then you come in these colors. So now over here, guys, you have these organizational compartments. It's a double compartment. Those are $3. I'm liking those. And these are candles. These are $3, wildflowers. They have the brush washer, and it comes with the suction cups on the back. Those guys are $3. And then these are the double packs of the baskets, guys. You get 2 of these baskets. I know that they're not very big. I think they're big enough though. Depends on where you're putting them. So they come in this gray and they come in that white, and they're $5. You get 2 for $5. So this one says go with the flow, and that one says rise and shine. So guys, they pretty much devoured this section over here in the Bullseye playground. So I'm just showing you what we have. I like this clamp-on lamp, guys. This is $5. There's some more squishies. These are Paw Patrol. Look at them. Aren't they adorable? I don't think I saw these the last time I was here. These are so cute. Here's a purple one, and they have like their picture on the squishy. So then you have these. Look how adorable. I love these things. So these are $3. Now this is a collect all 4 characters. It's a play pack, grab and go. And this is Batman. Let me see if they have any other kind. They have Paw Patrol. So I think in the Batman they have 2 kind. Okay, so let's move over here. So look at these. More Fanimals. More Fanimals. I hope I said that right, guys. So anyway, these are $3. And then you have these. The spin top markers. Those are $3. And look at the frozen squishy. I think she's $3 too. Then you have this, which is the foam shapes. And then you have these, which is the plastic chips. And here's more foam shapes. And then you have the ice cream cups over here, guys. And then look, this is like part of the wedding stuff. Look, these are the table numbers. I mean, that's so nice. That's $3. And then you have here, it says my week. So that's like a little calendar. I'm liking that. And then what is this? And it says good things take time. This is really nice. So it says the week of. Great ideas. Don't forget to-do list. This is nice. So let's see how much that is. I don't see, this one's in the plastic. So maybe this one's $3. That's not bad. That is so nice. Then over here, we have the paper bags with the tag and the tissue for $1. Guys, you can't beat that. And that one says, hello world, showered with love. This is so cute. These are baby shower bags. So it comes with the tissue and the card and the bag. So here you have the Mr. and Mrs., the hanging sign, and these guys are $1. And look at this. What is this? The felt corsage pin. I never seen anything like that. Grandma, these are cute. They're $1. That's adorable for a party. And here's your plasticware, and here are your tissues. This is Love is Sweet. So the baby shower stuff and the wedding stuff is all together. And then you have your paper plates over here. Go wild, happy birthday. I'm loving these. These are so cute. If you come down here, you have the Curious George, The Adventures of. Those are $3. Then you have some more felt books, Treasure Hunt, Let's Make S'mores, Forest Friends, Games on the Go, and what are these? Let's Make S'mores. So here we have Dr. Seuss journals, Peanuts, and there's some more Curious George on the bottom right there. Then you have some wire baskets. So these wire baskets are, I'm sorry, they call them mesh bins. They're $3. And here are some more book bins. And here are stickers. 140 stickers. And then what is this back here? These guys are Dr. Seuss. And that's $3. And these are the little containers for $1, and they come and they have the apple. Well, that's the apple sticker. And here is, so they have them in white, black, and this blue. So over here you have the paper accents. These are $1. Then you have these. What are these? So these are dry erase planked signs. These are new, guys. I didn't see these before. And so this, I believe, let me see, those are $3. Then you have your little pencils over here. So each pack of pencils is $1, and you get different designs on them. Look at this one. And then you have this one, Dog Man. Then you have Pete the Cats. Peachy Cats, I don't know, guys. All right, so pencils. And then you have, here's the sand timer. And here you have some paper accents. And those are $1. That clip. And here you have some toys. Guys, these are so good for little favors. The spin top, the little balls. And here's the wristbands. They had those over there. They moved them here. These are the wiggly eye rings, and then these are the erasers, and then the grips. Aren't those nice, guys? Those are really nice. Here's the top light. Remember the desk buzzer? We don't want that. I don't think that's a good idea. These paper accents are $1, and they come in quite a bit. Here's some paper plates, and here's some cards. with the envelope. These are all handmade, and these guys are all $1. $3, and then here you have your little border decorations for your classroom, and here you have your chalk surface erase boards. So I'm liking that one that has like a message type of a shape. That's these are all $3, guys. And then you have the clothespins with the alphabets on it, so more of those clip banners, and those are $3. So here you have some more stickers. These are $3, and this is work hard and be nice. Let me see how much these stickers are. These are $3. And then you have these. These are $3. What are they called? So, the door decorating kit, and they have it in the stars and the apple. And then this is the classroom decor. It says learn and read, inspire. How cute. So these are $3. And then these are the activity cubes, the dry erase. These are really neat, guys. Those are $3. And look at these. So these reversible signs right here are $5. And here's some more of those magnetic numbers and punctuations. Those guys are $5. Okay, guys, so it looks like I got everything over here at the Bullseye Playground. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Oh, wait a minute, guys. Look, I didn't show you this area. Oh, these are so nice. I like these. Look at this. Okay, so I didn't see these drawers. Okay, so these, each one's $5, very well made and heavy. So you have this kind right here with the double drawer, and then you have the one drawer. I'm sure you can think of so many different things to put in there, guys. And then you have the portfolios. And the portfolios, let me get one in the bag. The portfolios are $3, and they come in the pink and that blue, and this gold one. And then they have the document envelope. So this document envelope right here is $3. And then look at these trays. So you have the marbleized tray with the compartments. That's $5. So here's the pink, here's the blue, and here's my favorite. I was looking for that. There it is in the marble. I love it. So here, what are these? These are posters. Okay, so this one says work hard and be kind. This one says you are enough. And that one says tomorrow, a mystical land where 99% of all human productivity, motivation, and achievements are stored. Aww, I like that. Okay, so that's $1. So then you have this sign here. It says things to do. These are $5. I like those. And then here's the to-do list. Those are $5. Okay, and then you have like a bunch of, you have stickers over here, planner stickers in the gold. I love the gold. Those are $1, and here are the rocks that say make it count, and I think that's all they say. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Bullseye Playground to see what they have, and I'll see you guys in the next video.